Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the reset that removes everything, so act now. Back up personal files and confirm licenses and a BitLocker key. Once done, make sure your device is plugged into power and connected to the internet for driver retrieval. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. Click Get Started under Reset this PC and choose Remove Everything. This begins a full wipe rather than a refresh. You're choosing a clean slate that reinstalls Windows from local files or the cloud, depending on your pick. Now configure how Windows will reinstall. Choose Cloud Download if you want the latest image. It uses roughly 4 GB and can fix corrupted local files. Alternatively, pick Local Reinstall to use the files already on your device, faster but potentially less thorough. Next, select Fully Clean the drive if you plan to sell or dispose of the PC. Otherwise, just Remove My Files is quicker. Review the list of apps that will be removed and unplug non-essential peripherals to avoid delays during the process. Confirm the reset and start it. Then step away and let Windows complete the operation, which can take from 30 minutes to several hours. Once Windows reinstalls, you'll go through the out-of-box experience. Create or sign into your account, reinstall updates and drivers, and restore backed-up files. If the reset fails or hangs, reboot into the Windows recovery environment and try reset from there, or use a bootable USB installer to perform a clean install. One key tip: always check hardware health and drive integrity if errors recur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.